friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Michener Hill in Red Deer, Alberta. This quiet neighborhood sits on the north side of the city, close to the Red Deer River Valley. It's a peaceful residential area with parks, schools, and walking trails nearby. The neighborhood is named after Roland Michener, a Canadian politician, lawyer, and Governor General who was born in Alberta. Michener Hill is known for its calm streets, green spaces, and easy access to nearby shopping and services. It's a popular place for families and people who enjoy being close to nature while still living in the city. Red Deer is a growing city in central Alberta, located between Calgary and Edmonton. The city started as a stopping place for travelers and fur traders in the 1800s, thanks to its location by the Red Deer River. The river's name comes from early settlers who called the local elk Red Deer. Today, Red Deer is a busy city known for its parks, trails, and outdoor spaces. It's surrounded by farmland and rolling hills, with the beautiful Rocky Mountains not far to the west. The city has a strong history in farming, oil, and trade, and it remains a welcoming place where people enjoy a mix of nature and community life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Red Deer, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!